Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is to help you access and use your online biology textbook. So the first thing you need to do is open up a new Chrome tab and go to my.hrw.com. Once you get there, your login is PUHSD dash and then your student ID number. All of this with no spaces. So for example, if this was your student number, he would log in as PUHSD-4210745. Then it'll ask for your password. Your password is your same student password that you use there for everything. Your one capital PU, make sure and spell correctly. And then once you get in, you will see a login screen. So you log in username, password. I've already put mine in. And you'll get to something that looks like this. You go in the middle here where it says Student Edition. Click on Student Edition. And there's your online textbook. You can read it. You can go turn the pages. Turn the pages back. Now, if I ask you to go directly to a certain page number, let's say I ask you to read page 115. You can come up here, go to page 115, click the arrow, and it'll take you right to page 115. There's some other things over here that can help you. One is the table of contents. So if you click on the table of contents, if you keep hitting the left arrow, that'll take you back to the main table of contents page. So let's say I ask you to read section 10.2. You would go to unit 4, you go to chapter 10, 10.2, and there's section 10.2. You can also bookmark. So let's say you get here and you don't want to have to look it up through the table of contents again. Come up here to bookmarks and bookmark that page. And then the next time you log in, if you go to bookmarks over here on the left, it's already there. You can also mark up the text and write notes. So for example, let's say you're reading the textbook and you think that this sentence is going to be pretty important. So you can actually select it and click add a note and it will highlight it. You can change the color, you can change it if you prefer to green or to magenta. You can also write a note here to yourself. Make sure and study this for the quiz. And then hit save. And then later on, when you go back and access your notes, you click your notes, and there they are. We also have, you can change the page view size. Some people like it a little bit smaller. Some people like it a little bit bigger, depending on how you like your font and how your laptop is. You can set it for any size you want. And you can also come down here to audio, and it'll actually read you the page. Some of our vocabulary is a little bit new and some of it's a little bit difficult. So I find that it helps to have the book read to me. And that way I know how to pronounce it and kind of helps me remember a little bit more. So that's a tool you can also use. So when you're finished, you just go back and hit log out, and that will log you out. And that's how you use your online textbook.